anytime, anywhere, any browser. A secure and simple document viewer, one-click view. Synap Document Viewer. Accessing a document by downloading exposes you to information leakage and malware threats, and you have to install the app on each different device every time. Synap Document Viewer doesn't require any viewer app and doesn't need to download a document file for reading it. MS Office Word, PowerPoint, Excel, PDF, and other various documents are openable on any device. You can read documents in various browsers. It works with Windows, Linux, and multiple platforms. Also, it is applicable in the existing systems without additional cost. Synap Document Viewer doesn't need to download documents, and it prevents their leakages. Every conversion result is encrypted. Especially Watermark can document sanitation functions, enhance the security of its services. Have you experienced malware attacks or ineffective communications in your company? Synap Document Viewer reduces security risks and enhances collaboration skills, improving productivity in a corporate environment with various systems. In public and educational websites, Synap Document Viewer resolves the digital divide, making the institution and people communicate better. Synap Document Viewer is the most used document viewer for corporations and public offices in Korea. Secure and simple. Just one click. Synap Document Viewer.